Greetings, students. Teacher Etta is here to help you prepare for your upcoming test. Together, we'll revisit the key topics we've studied over the past few weeks. I believe in your success. You've got this. All the material in this review comes directly from your I Can Read workbook. Watch this video several times to refresh your memory of what we've learned. I wish you success and a great score on your upcoming test. Remember, all the material in this review comes directly from your I Can Read workbook. How to use this review so that you can get maximum points in your review test. We will discuss important grammar, vocabulary, comprehension skills, writing skills, and parts of speech. Everything needed for Lesson 11 review paper. Lesson 1 is about on the school bus. Parts of speech. Verbs, past tense. Heard. Looked. Started. Warned. Alighted. Example. The bus stopped suddenly. Adjectives. What is an adjective? It describes nouns. Examples. Loud. Dirty. Weak. Concerned. Pronouns. This. That. These. Those. Articles. In. And lastly, the important grammar. Capital letters. Names. Places. Start of sentences. Punctuation. Next, Lesson 2 was about traveling to school by car. What we learned. We learned how to publish a narrative, edit our work, use stronger vocabulary. Parts of speech. Common nouns. Car, road, school. Proper nouns. Mary, Sam, Orchard Road. Adjectives. Worried, happy, heavy. New. Verbs. Past tense, something that happened already, like yesterday. Traveled. Reached. Looked. Agreed. Contractions. Do not, don't. He is, he's. I will, I'll. They are, they're. Could not, couldn't. Transport vocabulary. Know these. It's important. Destination. The place you are going to. Alight. The passengers alighted from the bus. Depart. To leave a place. Luggage. Bags and suitcases you carry when traveling. Passenger. A person traveling in a vehicle but not driving it. Route. The path or way to reach a destination. Now let's look at the next lesson. Lesson 3 is about airport speaking skills. What we learned. We learned how to describe pictures, speak confidently, read aloud clearly. Parts of speech. Verbs. A verb is a word that shows an action, an occurrence, or a state of being. Simple present. Used for facts. Examples. The plane lands. The pilot works. Present continuous. Used for actions happening now. Examples. The passengers are boarding. The plane is taking off. Conjunctions. And joins ideas. But shows difference. Or shows choice. So shows result. Examples. I packed snacks and water. I was tired so I slept. I wanted juice but they had milk. Next we will look at Lesson 4 and we learnt about rabbits as pets. What we learned. We learned reading comprehension, visual text comprehension, open-ended questions. Parts of speech. This is important. Collective nouns. A collective noun is a word used to describe a group of people, animals, or things as a single unit. Bees, swarm. Birds, flock. Wolves, pack. Bananas, bunch. Musicians, band. Players, team. These are just a few of what we have studied. Comprehension skills. Always. Read carefully. Find evidence. Answer in full sentences. Exam reminder. Lesson 11 asks. Collective nouns. Reading comprehension. True, false questions. Next is Lesson 5. Was all about reading and comprehension skills. What we learned. We learned how to find clues, read newspaper articles, read posters, use punctuation correctly. Parts of speech covered. Contractions. I'm. What's. Didn't. Wouldn't. Comprehension strategy. Circle. Question words. Box. Verbs. Underline. Key words. This strategy is very important for tests, and this will help you to answer better. Lesson 6 coming up, and this lesson was about travel recount writing. What we learned. We learned recount writing, planning before writing, sequencing events, parts of speech, interrogative pronouns, who, whom, whose, which, what, prepositions, on, in, under, beside, behind. Adjectives. Use strong describing words. Example. The beautiful blue bus. Exam reminder. Lesson 11 review includes prepositions, pronouns, adjectives. Lesson 7. Now let's look at your favorite activity traveling to school. What we learned. We learned recount writing, describing events in order, parts of speech, adverbs, describe verbs. Examples. Quickly, slowly, happily, carefully. Important. Subject pronouns. I, we, you, he, they, she, they, it, they. Exam reminder. Know these. Subject pronouns. Adverbs. Next in Lesson 8 we were talking about picture description and conversation. What we learned. We learned how to observe carefully, speak clearly, read aloud confidently. Parts of speech. Object pronouns. I, me, we, us, he, him, she, her, they, them, it, Adverbs of time. Yesterday, today, tomorrow, later, soon. Exam reminder. Lesson 11 includes pronouns, speaking skills, reading aloud. Next up, Lesson 9. We learnt about those beautiful cats with the blue eyes, ragdoll cats. What we learned. We learned open-ended comprehension, visual text comprehension. Parts of speech. Indefinite pronouns. Examples. Someone, anyone, everyone, nobody, somebody. Compound words. Examples. Classroom, toothbrush, football, playground, bedroom. Exam reminder. Lesson 11 tests. Compound words. Indefinite pronouns. Comprehension. Almost finish. Now Lesson 10, the final review preparation. What we learned. We revised everything from grammar, vocabulary, comprehension, writing. Most important grammar for Lesson 11. Articles. A, in, and the. Pronouns. He, she, it, they, us, them. Demonstrative pronouns. This, that, these, those. Collective nouns. Bunch, pack, flock, swarm, team. Next, we continue with conjunctions. And, but, or, so. Adjectives. Beautiful, happy, excited, bright. Adverbs. Quickly, slowly, carefully, happily. Prepositions. Under, behind, next to, between. Contractions. Don't, can't, I'm, it's, there. Now this concludes our lesson plan. Next, a few more tips. Comprehension super tips. Read the question first. Underline key words. Find the answer in the passage. Answer incomplete sentences. Use correct punctuation. Always check your spelling. Next, this is very important. Composition writing super tips on how to do well, 20 marks. Remember, this is important. The composition topic may be different, but the marking system is usually the same. Introduction. Write 2 to 3 sentences. Answer. Who, where, when. Important when you write your essay, focus on these tips for teacher Etta. Body. Write 4 to 6 sentences. Tell me, what happened first? Next. Then. Finally. Use sequencing words. First. Next. Then. After that. Finally. Conclusion. Write 2 to 3 sentences. Tell me about how you felt. What you learned. Use good vocabulary. Instead of nice, rather use wonderful, exciting, cheerful. Use adjectives. Examples. Bright sunshine, beautiful beach, busy bus station. Use alliteration. Examples. Silly snake, sandy shores, bright blue beach. Final advice. Check before handing in your paper for the following: capital letters, full stops, spelling, paragraphs, complete sentences, neat handwriting. Teacher Etta's final exam checklist. Before Lesson 11, make sure you can use articles correctly, use pronouns correctly, identify nouns and adjectives, use contractions, use conjunctions, recognize collective nouns, understand transport vocabulary, answer comprehension questions in full sentences, Identify compound words. Identify indefinite pronouns. Write a complete recount composition. Use punctuation correctly. Spell common words correctly. Lastly, the spelling normally comes from the vocabulary words that we have learnt. And now the final message from Teacher Etta. Remember, read carefully. Write neatly. Think before answering. Stay calm. You have already learned everything you need from lessons 1 to 10. If you revise this review paper carefully, you will be well prepared for the lesson 11 test and the composition writing task. I wish you success and confidence as you complete your review.